Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming device compatibility and identity. Those two checks save time. Once done, open the MyGeo app or head to a Geo store if you prefer in-person service. Make sure your physical Geo SIM is active because Geo verifies your existing number before issuing an eSIM. You'll also need a government ID for KYC. Begin the eSIM request in the app. Navigate to Settings or SIM Management. Choose Replace with eSIM and follow on-screen prompts to proceed. Now you perform the core activation steps that convert your physical SIM to eSIM. After submitting the request, complete the eKYC flow by taking a clear selfie and uploading your ID. You'll receive an OTP to confirm the number, so keep your SIM active. Once Geo approves, they push an activation QR code or an in-app download link. This is how your device gets the eSIM profile. Make sure you note any activation window indicated, because profiles can expire after a set time. Finish by installing the eSIM profile on your phone. Go to Settings, choose Mobile Data or Cellular, select Add eSIM and scan the Geo QR or use the provided activation link. Once installed, assign the eSIM as your primary or secondary line depending on needs and test a call, SMS, and data session to confirm 5G eligibility. If installation fails, reboot the device, ensure internet access, and retry. If problems persist, contact Geo support with your request ID so they can reissue or troubleshoot the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.